In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean your Google Drive in just 5 minutes. Whether you're running out of space or simply want to stay organized, keeping your Google Drive tidy is essential. We're going to walk through some straightforward steps that will help you manage your files effectively. First, let's head over to Google Drive. Open your web browser and type in drive.google.com. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you're in, the first thing we want to look at is your storage usage. On the left side of the page, you'll see a menu. Click on storage. This will show you how much storage you've consumed and how much is still available. Now, to get a handle on what's taking up the most space, you can sort your files by size. A simple way to identify large files is to type larger 10mm into the search bar at the top. This nifty trick will filter out files that are 10 megabytes or larger, allowing you to focus on what's taking up the most space. With this list in hand, sort the files by size. You can easily do this by clicking on the appropriate option in the interface. Start reviewing the files. Ask yourself if you really need that high resolution photo set or the old project video files you've already completed. Deleting unnecessary files can free up a significant amount of space. Next, we want to talk about unused and old files that might still be lingering around. Start by selecting and removing documents, videos, or duplicates you no longer use. This includes outdated projects, unwanted media, or files that have better and updated versions. Be sure to browse through shared folders as well. Sometimes these shared spaces hold files that others might have given you access to but which you don't actually need. Once you've gone through your files and removed what you don't need, there's one more important step: emptying the trash. Click on the trash link in the sidebar to view what you've deleted recently. It's crucial to remember that items in your trash still take up storage space until they're permanently removed. So go ahead and click empty trash at the top right corner. This will completely remove those files from your Google Drive, freeing up space immediately. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've effectively cleaned your Google Drive, freeing up storage and getting organized. Remember, it's a good practice to check in on your drive every once in a while to ensure you're not keeping unnecessary files and that everything is well organized. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.